Hi, on this edition of Simple Meals with Dave, I want to barbecue some burgers. Now, I'm going to make about 6 different burgers with the patties that I cook, but I'm going to cook the patties on a barbecue pit. I like to line the pit with foil, heavy duty foil. It makes for an easy cleanup when you're done. Okay, so I'm going to soak the coals just kind of even, just as evenly as possible. I'm gonna let that go for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna put, I like to do it twice. So this is the first time, so we're gonna wait about 5 more minutes, and then we'll do it again, and then I'll light it. Also, patties that are already formed, I like to season them and press them before I cook them. Also, with my seasoning, I kind of have my own mix. I put some seasoning salt. I put garlic and I put lemon pepper in there. You can make your own seasoning. Some people just like to do salt and pepper. I'm gonna season them on both sides, and then I'm gonna press them. And also, when you press it real good, it won't fall apart. Sometimes you get burgers that fall apart on you. So if you press them real good, they won't fall apart on you. All right, these patties are ready to go. Okay, these coals are looking really good, kind of turning white. So I'm gonna get the patties and put them on the grill. All right, when I cook patties on the grill, I keep a pair of tongs on, because after I do the initial flip and press, then I'll use the tongs to flip them. And I do that so it's a lot easier for them to. I mean, they'll break up on you if you're not careful. But see how that meat was a little raw still, and it left the grill marks where I pressed it. If you do that when the meat is really raw, it'll go through there, and then you won't be able to take it out of the grill, because the meat will go through the grill. Okay, I have the flat grill good to go right now. The first thing I'm going to do, throw a little bit of oil on the pit. Grill these onions. I'm gonna go ahead and take the patties off. I mean, look at that. Those are some beautiful grilled burgers. Make an excellent burger. Like I said, if you press the patties real good and your coals are real hot, these cook real fast. I'm gonna throw the jalapenos on here also. Just grill them a little bit. It's not gonna look a certain way. You just wanna grill them a little bit, okay? Onions are looking real good, okay? Okay, The first sandwich I'm gonna make is a patty melt. Okay. I like to use Texas toast. I like to put butter on both sides. Butter sticks. Okay. I like to put some bacon on it, put some cheese, patty on it. I'm gonna put a few jalapenos. Most of the time a patty melt doesn't come with jalapenos unless you ask for it, but I'm gonna put a few jalapenos on there. So I'll fix to pull that off and then I'm gonna make a grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, I'm also gonna use Texas toast. Do the same as I did the patty melt. I like to use 2 slices of cheese when I do that. And we'll just let that toast. Okay, the first burger I'm gonna make is an all-American burger. Okay, I'm gonna put some mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard. Okay, then I'm gonna put lettuce, tomato, put some onions, and some pickles. Next I'm gonna do a buffalo burger. I have some pepper jack cheese, so I'm gonna put the pepper jack cheese there. I'm gonna take the patty and put it on top. Put more cheese. I got some lettuce, tomato. I'm gonna put some grilled onions. And then I'm gonna put some jalapenos. Okay, the next burger I'm gonna make is a mushroom melt. So what I have here is some chili con queso that I've made before in one of my other videos. I'm gonna add some mushrooms to it, and then I'm just gonna mix that. Okay, and then I have some cheddar cheese here. We'll put a patty on there and some more cheddar cheese, and then I'll take my mushroom cheese mixture. So there we have a mushroom melt. Okay, the last burger I'm gonna make is gonna be a barbecue burger. I'm gonna put some barbecue sauce. Onion rings on it. Lettuce and tomato. And I have a barbecue burger. So we have a patty melt, a grilled cheese sandwich, an all-American burger. This is a buffalo burger, mushroom melt, and a barbecue burger. So tune in to our next edition of Simple Meals with Dave to see how I can help you out in the backyard. Okay, when I'm through with my pit, I had lined it with foil and the coals are done. All you do, it's an easy cleanup. All you do is just fold it, fold it, and just throw it in the trash. And that's an easy cleanup after you barbecue. And then it's you don't have to clean it. It's ready to go for the next time.